Sacred Heart International School. Amidst the serene landscapes of Marthandam, where the air is fresh and the hills rise gracefully against the horizon, lies a sanctuary of learning, Sacred Heart International School. The campus rests just 50 meters away from the Kanyakumari-Trivandrum National Highway at Pammam Junction, yet it feels like a world of its own. Nestled in a picturesque setting, the school offers panoramic views of distant cliffs and lush greenery. Here, nature's calm and beauty blend seamlessly with the spirit of education, creating an atmosphere that inspires both heart and mind. The roots of Sacred Heart International School are firmly grounded in a legacy of educational excellence. The institution is run by the Sacred Heart Educational Society, whose parent institution, Sacred Heart School in Moga, Punjab, was established in 1971 by the visionary educationist late Mr. G. Allen Abraham and late Mrs. Vasanta Abraham. Their pioneering dream was to provide an education that balanced knowledge with values, intellect with compassion. Today, that dream continues to thrive in Marthandam, carried forward with the same passion and purpose. The school is steered by leaders of dedication and vision. Mr. Charles Jebakumar, Chairman of the Sacred Heart Educational Society, along with Mrs. Vijaya Jebakumar, the Secretary, provide strong and thoughtful guidance. Under their leadership, Sacred Heart International School has grown into one of the most sought-after institutions in Kanyakumari district, admired for its academic excellence, character building, and holistic approach to education. Affiliated to the Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations, New Delhi, and accredited with ISO 9001-2015, reflecting strong quality management systems and a commitment to consistent excellence, as well as ISO 21001-2018, highlighting a learner-centered approach and effective educational management practices. The school offers education from pre-kindergarten to grade 12. Its aim is not merely to educate, but to nurture students into responsible global citizens who uphold integrity and compassion. Inspired by the timeless motto from Ephesians 5, "Walk as children of light," the institution fosters a culture where students are guided to live with wisdom, faith, and service. The vision of Sacred Heart International School is to see every child grow into a lifelong learner, equipped with the knowledge, skills, and attitudes necessary to thrive in the local, national, and global society. Its mission is to provide a future-focused, holistic education anchored to nurture not just intellect but also values. The quality policy reflects a commitment to excellence through sustainable practices, advanced technologies, and collaborative learning, ensuring that students are prepared to face the challenges of tomorrow with resilience, adaptability, and compassion. The school's infrastructure mirrors its philosophy. Every classroom is air-conditioned and equipped with 86-inch LED panels, transforming traditional lessons into engaging digital experiences. The Montessori-based pre-kindergarten wing offers a warm and creative space for the youngest learners, where curiosity blossoms and independence takes root. For the comfort and well-being of our students, each classroom in our kindergarten is equipped with a neat and clean dedicated facility. The educational routine begins promptly at Sacred Heart International School. Over 2,500 students gather for a centrally organized assembly led by our teachers and featuring a prayer song.
Guide us in our lives and show us the path to fly. Let us
This structured start ensures daily focus while also making time to publicly celebrate our students with at least 10 birthdays marked every single day.
Greetings from Sacred Heart International School, Marthandam. Under the visionary leadership of our chairman, Mr. Charles Jabakumar, and secretary, Mrs. Vijaya Jabakumar, Sacred Heart has become a beacon of academic and value-based excellence. We are proud to be accredited with ISO 21000-2018 standards, honored with a RITS Award for Innovation and Development by the British Council, and rated Diamond by ICOCH. With a world-class infrastructure, committed faculty, and a holistic approach for education, we prepare every child to dream big, learn with joy, achieve with excellence, and lead with values. At Sacred Heart, our students truly walk as children of light.
The chapel at our school serves as a peaceful haven where each day begins with prayer and worship. It provides a space for students and staff to reflect, express gratitude, and find spiritual strength, helping them start the day with faith and purpose. The chemistry lab at Sacred Heart International School is equipped with modern apparatus and safety facilities. It enables learners to explore chemical reactions, conduct experiments, and understand the practical applications of theoretical concepts. For your safety, please note that our chemistry lab is fitted with emergency eye washing equipment. This is for immediate use in the event of any chemical or fume splash. Gain a competitive edge in science. The Sacred Heart International School Biology Lab encourages learners to delve into the wonders of life and living systems. With well-maintained microscopes, preserved specimens, and models, students observe, compare, and understand the intricate mechanisms of plants, animals, and the human body. The physics lab serves as a dynamic space where students explore motion, light, sound, and energy. Through observation and experimentation, they connect abstract scientific laws with practical applications, strengthening their analytical and reasoning skills. The Sacred Heart International School Mathematics Lab helps students explore numbers, patterns, and problem solving through interactive tools and models. With engaging activities and real-world applications, learners build confidence, logical thinking, and a clear understanding of mathematical concepts. The computer lab offers a digital learning environment where students explore coding, design, and research. Equipped with 50 advanced computer systems and updated software, it empowers learners to develop technological competence, creativity, and logical thinking in a modern interactive setting. The Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Lab is a center of innovation where students explore automation, coding, and engineering hands-on. Language and communication are given special emphasis. As a Cambridge ESOL examination training and assessment center, the school prepares students for global proficiency in English. The Beehive Communication Program enriches language learning through storytelling, debates, drama, and public speaking, ensuring that students develop not just fluency but the confidence to express themselves as leaders on the global stage. Beyond academics, Sacred Heart International School embraces skill-based learning through ULIPSU, a dedicated skill lab aligned with the New Education Policy 2020. This digital platform offers modules in logical reasoning, life skills, and more. The ULIPSU lab, equipped with 50 advanced computers, provides students with interactive digital learning experiences that help them explore diverse interests and talents, ensuring their education is both modern and personalized. The Experimenter lab and learning facilities open up a world of hands-on exploration where curiosity takes the lead. From building working models and testing scientific principles to experimenting with real-time problem solving, these labs inspire students to question, create, and innovate. They are designed to move beyond rote learning, ensuring that every child learns by doing and develops the confidence to think independently. The high-definition 3D labs, unique in Kanyakumari district and among the very few across the state, stand as a symbol of cutting-edge technology and a beacon of innovation in education. Here, learning is no longer confined to textbooks. Complex complex structures in biology, intricate principles in physics, and abstract formulas in mathematics are brought to life in vivid, three-dimensional clarity. Students don't just read about concepts, they step into them, visualize them, and interact with them, making learning deeply immersive and unforgettable. Character development is equally central, nurtured through NCC, Scout and Guide programs, and JRC, Junior Red Cross, which instill discipline, leadership, teamwork, patriotism, and compassion. Health and well-being form another cornerstone of campus life. RO-purified water facilities, strict standards of cleanliness, and a fully equipped medical chamber with trained staff safeguard the physical health of students. Regular wellness programs and awareness sessions guide students towards balanced lifestyles, while the recognition as an institution of happiness by iGauge highlights the school's emphasis on emotional resilience, mental health, and a supportive environment. Elevating student learning at Sacred Heart International School, a powerful new telescope has been installed, allowing students to explore the universe firsthand. Equipped with 360-degree rotation, this technology is setting a new standard for science education. The school also features a massive full-screen LED stage background, creating an immersive environment for dynamic stage performances and a variety of other programs, elevating every event with advanced visual technology. At Sacred Heart International School, the library stands as a well-equipped center of knowledge and focused learning. It houses a rich collection of books across subjects, genres, and academic levels, including specialized reference materials and guides for NEET and JEE examinations. A modern digital access system enables students to locate and access books easily, encouraging independent study and efficient research. This blend of comprehensive resources and smart technology makes the library an ideal space for serious preparation, deeper understanding, and the development of strong academic habits. At Sacred Heart International School, the Kids Park is a large, vibrant, and multifunctional outdoor play space thoughtfully designed for young learners. The park encourages physical activity, coordination, and creative exploration. This lively space allows children to climb, slide, and interact freely, turning playtime into a joyful experience that supports healthy growth and development. Welcome to the expansive exam hall at Sacred Heart International School, a bright and focused space designed for peak performance. This superb facility comfortably accommodates over 100 students, ensuring a quiet, calm, and pressure-free environment for every important test. It's a place where every student can concentrate and give their very best effort. Develop your talent at Sacred Heart International School. Students can explore their passion through classes in classical and Western dances, complemented by enriching instruction in music and singing. Music thrives through a highly trained choir team, skilled in both classical and contemporary performances, and prepared to excel in competitions at local, national, and international levels. The daily administration of Sacred Heart International School is handled by the admin officer. This leadership role ensures seamless management, overseeing and controlling all aspects of the campus environment. Across Sacred Heart International School, from kindergarten through higher secondary, educational quality is managed by specialized individual coordinators. Each coordinator holds full command over all departmental activities and staff, ensuring specialized attention and control at every level. At Sacred Heart International School, student well-being is paramount. A dedicated student counselor is always available on campus to provide personalized guidance and advice to every student who needs support. Get in the game. Sacred Heart International School provides all sports activities in an elite environment. Students train with international standard sports equipment on our high-quality playgrounds, all adhering to strict ISO standards for the best experience. At Sacred Heart International School, karate classes are provided for students, promoting physical fitness and essential self-defense skills. It instills resilience among learners. Our staff deserves the best. Sacred Heart International School provides its faculty with a well-spaced, air-conditioned, comfortable staff room, a perfect, dedicated area for planning and rejuvenation. We believe a clean space enhances learning. That's why Sacred Heart International School assigns dedicated cleaning staff to every floor, working diligently to keep our premises always tidy and comfortable for students and faculty. Preparedness for every situation. Our facilities feature fire extinguishers and water jets across all floors with emergency alarm bells ready to sound. Security is maintained by 24-hour CCTV monitoring of the whole campus, bolstered by 10+ active security personnel working to ensure total student protection. Promoting an inclusive environment. Sacred Heart International School provides a necessary lift facility that serves the movement and daily needs of both staff and students across the premises. Your child's commute is handled by our comprehensive transport system. Sacred Heart International School operates a fleet of over 30 buses, each manned by 2 professionals to prioritize care. Furthermore, we mandate and follow strict safety protocols during the crucial boarding and departure phases. Safety is our priority. We recently welcomed the local police department to campus for a comprehensive driver awareness program focused on achieving maximum safety. Our commitment to the community continued as our NCC students hit the streets of Marthandam for a helmet awareness rally, actively raising awareness among parents and public about the crucial role of wearing a helmet. Sacred Heart International School is also a proud recipient of multiple recognitions. It is a British Council accredited international dimension in schools, an iGauge Diamond rated institution and certified by the Centre of Assessments for Excellence for ISO 21001-2018 standards. Each of these honors reflect the school's ongoing commitment to innovation, quality, and global readiness. At the heart of the institution lies its greatest strength, its faculty. Highly qualified, experienced, and deeply committed, the teachers here are more than instructors. They are mentors and role models, constantly engaged in professional development and training in international pedagogies. They ensure that learning remains dynamic, student-centered, and forward-looking. Sacred Heart International School is more than a campus of classrooms and corridors. It is a vibrant learning community where tradition and innovation meet, where knowledge and values go hand in hand, and where every student is guided to dream, to learn, to achieve, and to lead. In the quiet town of Marthandam, it stands as a beacon of excellence, illuminating the path of young learners, preparing them to truly walk as children of light.